Kaylani Bear like Nana Bear.
Yeah. Okay, so today we're gonna be making some slime, and yeah. So first you need some glue, which I already did. I put in here. Then after you want to add a little bit of water.
That was a lot of
Or
water.
a lot of water. Either way, you know. Now you want to mix it. Dude, it's turning pink. Just a little bit, because that water is pink from my medicine.
That we are not going to mention anymore.
And then you stir it until it turns, until it looks like milk.
Yep. Now after you want to add a little bit of baking soda. If you oh, whatever, it's on the floor. Oh my god, we're doing it outside, so heck stuff is blowing inside it.
It's a bug.
No, it's just a bark or something. Now I want to add some eye contact and solution.
And then let's hurry up and do this before I get all windy and stuff on my eyes.
Ooh. Oh my god, there's little kids here from our apartments.
And then now let's add the baking soda. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Add a lot, add a lot, add a lot. Don't add too much or it's going to turn into